Hi, my name is Brandon Hawkman, ex-snowboarder, entrepreneur, and now I'm dad. I'm a certified bonafide biker. I've done 40,000 cross-country miles on 2 wheels. You know, I know what freedom's about. And to me, the ATTO is like a motorcycle on the sidewalk. Into the hotel lobby, up the elevator, down those hallways, into my room. It's so convenient. ATTO allowed me to go to location to location. It allowed me to leave the vehicle and literally go from dealer to dealer promoting my business effortlessly. Gave me a ton of more energy at the end of the day, made me go on adventures that I potentially would have not even thought of. When I saw it, initially I was thinking of my grandfather. Then when I got on it and I realized how fast it moved me from point A to point B, I couldn't even imagine not having it with me. I love the ATTO, the look of the ATTO. It's got that Apple feel. It's very modern, plush, clean. I think the reaction that comes from the people says enough. I mean, I can't drive this thing down the street without getting compliments and, hey, where'd you find that thing? I want one. The ATTO is kind of opened up a whole new experience for me and my daughters. It's like all of a sudden we're going shopping together. For them, it's like a little car. It's just a cool vibe. It's a freedom provider.